Good morning everybody. Today I also take your mental math class. So mental math we have already completed chapter 25. Now I take exercise, first of all take 26. So I start. Fill in the blank boxes. A. 75 into 3 divided by 5 minus 20. Here I do the sum. 75 into 225 divided by 5. So minus 20. 225 divided by 2 minus 20. So 45 minus 20. 25. Answer 25. Okay. Write the numeral 9 by 16 words. 9 sixteenths. 9 sixteenths. C. Find the cost of 1 by 2 dozen of bananas if each banana cost rupees 4. That is CP of 1. That means cost price of 1 banana is rupees 4. That is cost price of 18 bananas is rupees 18 into 4, rupees 72. 18 into 4, 72. HCF of 24 and 32. 24, 32. That is 24, 1 ja 24, 12, 8, 8, 3 ja 12. So HCF equal to 8. That is E. Find the prime numbers between 40 and 50. All the numbers between 40 and 50, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Prime numbers 41, 43 and 47. So prime numbers 41, 43 and 47. Add 3 by 15 plus 6 by 30 equal to 15 and 30 LCM equal to 30, that is 30. 15 2 ja 30, 3 2 ja 3 into 2 6. 3 1 ja 3, 31 ja 30, 1 into 6 into 1 6. So 6 plus 6 12 by 30. So 6 2 ja 12, 6 5 the 30, 2 by 5. Answer. What is 2 by 3 of rupees 24? 2 by 3 of rupees 24. 2 by 3 into 24. 3 8 ja 24, 8 2 ja 16. That is rupees 16. H. 8 kilometer 4 meter. The 8 kilometer equal to 8000 meter. 1 kilometer equal to 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So 8 kilometer equal to 8 into 1000, 8000 meter plus 4. 8000 4 meter. So 8004 meter. Okay. I. Find the HCF of 9, 12 and 18. That is 9, 12, 18, 2, 9, 2, 6 ja 12, 2, 9 ja 18. 3, 3, 3 ja 9, 3, 2 ja 6, 3, 3 ja 9. 3, 1 ja 3, 2, 3, 1 ja 3. 2 into 3 into 3 into 2, 36. So LCM 36. ACF sorry এটা একদম ভুলে গেছে, excuse me. Nine 1 ja 9, 3 18, 3 6 ja 18. That is HCF equal to 3. That is HCF equal to 3. Okay. Find the HCF of 9, 12 and 18 equal to 3. Write the least missing digit in 8, 4 blank. So that is that the number formed is divisible by 3. 8, 4, 12 plus 0. 8, 4, 2, 8 plus 4 are 12. So 12 divided by 3, 4. So 0. So 12, 4, 0. Okay. Acha. Exercise 26 complete. Exercise 27. Find the least common multiple of the following number 4 and 6, 12. Okay. Least means least common multiple means LCM. তাহলে 4, 6. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. 2 into 2 into 4, 12. B. 10 into 10 and 12, 60. 10 and 12, I will do the maths here. 60. 10, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 5 ja 10, 60, 60. 15 and 20, 15 and 20, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20, 5 into 3 into 4, that is 60. 12 and 36, 12, 2 6 ja 12, 2 18 ja 16, 2 3 ja 6, 2 8 9 ja 18, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, that is 36. Okay. And 7 and 13, 7 and 13, 91, 91. 16 and 64, that is 16, 64. If you LCM, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 4. That is 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. 64 answer. 9 and 12, 9 and 12, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 11, 3 3 ja 9, 4 9 ja 36, 4 6 9, 4 6 9, that is 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 9, 3 3 2, 3 1 ja 3 3 ja 9, that is 2 into 3 into 2 into 2, 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36, 36, 6 8 and 10, 6 8 and 10, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 12, 2 5 ja 10, that is 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 equal to 120, that is 2 3 ja 6, 6 4 ja 6 5 ja 30, 30 into 4 120, 4 8 and 5 40, 4 8 5, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 5, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40. Okay, exercise 21, fully you do it at homework. Full LCM, A B C D E F G H I J, you do it at homework. Similar math. Exercise 29, find the LCM of 3 6 8, that is 3 equal to 1 into 3, 6 equal to 2 into 3, 8 equal to 2 into 2 into 2. The LCM 3 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 3 ja 24. Okay, 3 4 and 5, that is 3 equal to 1 into 3, 4 into 2 into 2, 5 into 1 into 5. LCM equal to 3 into 2 into 2 into 5, that is 60. 4 6 and 9, 36, 4 equal to 2 into 2, 6 into 2 into 3, 9 equal to 3 into 3, that is LCM equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 3, that is 36, 2 3 is 6, 6 6 is 36, 3 6 and 9, 3 equal to 1 into 3, 6 equal to 2 into 3, 9 equal to 3 into 3, LCM 2 into 3 into 3, 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18, okay. 4 9 and 12, that is 4 equal to 2 into 2, 9 equal to 3 into 3, 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3, LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, 2 2 ja 4, 4 9 ja 36. Answer F. 4 5 10 20, that is 4 2 into 2, 5 1 into 5, 10 2 into 5, that is LCM 2 into 5 into 2, the 2 2 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20, 6 9 and 12, 6 equal to 2 into 3, 9 equal to 3 into 3, 12 equal to 2 into 3 into 2. That is LCM 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2 ja 4, 4 9 ja 36. Okay. 21, 35 and 42. That is 21 equal to 3 into 7, 35 equal to 5 into 7, 42 into 2 into 3 into 7. That is LCM equal to 3 into 7 into 5 into 2. That is 210. Okay, 12 36 and 40, that is 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3, 36 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, 40 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, that is LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, that is 360. J 3 12 and 24, 3 equal to 1 into 3, 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3, 24 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 2, that is LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. Okay, that is the procedure of prime factorization method, and previous chapter I do the divisible method. Now exercise 30, fill in the blank boxes. Write prime numbers between 62 and 70. 62 and 70 numbers 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68 and 69. That is 67. Only prime number 67. What is the reciprocal of 11 by 19? Reciprocal denominator change. That is 19 by 11. Find the value of 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7, 504. That is 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 24 into 3, 72, 72 into 7, 7, 72 into 7, that is 7, 7 2 ja 14 8 4 1, 7 7 ja 49 50, that is 504. Okay, write 5 by 17 in words, that is 5 17ths. Find the HCF of 24 and 60. 24 and 60 LCM, 24 2 ja 48, the 12 2 ja 24, that is HCF of 24 and 60 12. What is the LCM of 8, 12 and 16? That is LCM 8 2 into 2 into 2, 12 2 into 2 into 3, 16 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 2 ja 16. 2 into 2 into 3, 2 8. 2 into 2 into 3 16. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 2 ja 16. So LCM equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is 48. 48. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 2 ja 16. 16 3 ja 48. Okay. That is, find prime factors of 133. 133 equal to 1 into 133, 7 into 19. That is, prime factors of 1, 7, 19 and 133. Is 147 blank divisible by 5? Yes. 1475 divisible by 5? Yes. If the last digit is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. Last number 5, so it is divisible by 5. Can 0 divide 2? No. Is 21 is a prime number as a or a composite number? Composite number, because it has more than two factors, that is 1, 3, 7 and 21. That is 31. Fill in the blank boxes. That is, fill in the blank boxes. What is the absolute value of minus 7? 7. Blank 040 is the smallest number divisible by 3. That is 040 blank 2. 4 plus 2 6, that is divisible by 3. Simplify. 4 by 19 minus 2 by 19. 19. 4 minus 2. 2 by 19. Find 3 by 5 kilometer of 5 kilometer. That 3 by 5 kilometer of 5 kilometer. 3 kilometer. Okay. The product of two numbers is 112. If the ACF of two numbers is 2, then the LCM is 112 by 2, 56. Okay. That is 11 hour 15 minutes equal to how many minutes? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 11 hour equal to 6, 11 is 66, 0, 5, 5, 6, 1, 7, 6, 675 minutes. Find the prime factors of 187. Factors of 187 equal to 11 into 17. Prime factors of 187 are 11 and 17. 2000 divided by 125 minus 8. 2000 divided by 125, 16. That is 16 minus 8, 8. 8 answer. The place value of 8 in 7.628, that is 8 thousandths. Prime factors of 363, 363, 3 1 is 3, 2 2 3 1 is 11 1, 11 11 is, so 3 into 11 into 11. Okay, this is your mental math. I will complete today 26 to 31, and one chapter I will give you 28 at your homework. So next class I will take another 4 chapters. Okay, thank you.